In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Drive 1 TB free. We'll walk through where to look inside Google Drive to see if your account is eligible for a free 1 TB plan and how to claim it if you are. I'll keep it clear and simple, and I'll also point out a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. Typing Drive, Google.com into the address bar is the quickest way. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in to your Google account. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser and make sure it's up to date, since some buttons and links can be easier to find on a larger screen. Once Drive loads, look to the left side of the page for the main sidebar. This is the vertical menu where you'll see items like My Drive and Shared with Me, and near the bottom, options related to storage. If your sidebar is hidden, click the small menu icon at the top left to expand it. You should also see your current storage usage displayed there, which helps you understand how much space you have and what you might need. Next, click Get More Storage in that left sidebar. This link takes you to Google's storage management page, often part of Google One, where available plans and any special offers for your account are listed. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you are still signed into the same account you use for Drive. On the Plans page, look for the option to get 1 TB free. If your account is eligible, you'll see a plan clearly marked as free, with a price of 0 and the 1 TB capacity indicated. Eligibility can depend on factors like promotions, region, or the type of account you use, such as work or school accounts administered by an organization. If you see the free 1 TB plan, click it to select, review the details to confirm it's free. Then follow the on-screen prompts to activate it. You may need to accept terms or confirm the change to your storage plan. Once completed, your Drive storage should reflect the new limit shortly. If you don't see a 1 TB free option on the plans page, that typically means it isn't available for your account at this time. Offers can vary and they change periodically, so it's worth checking back in the future or reviewing the official help resources for any updates. That's it. Open Google Drive, check the left sidebar, click Get More Storage, and, if it appears for your account, select the 1 TB free plan and confirm. Thanks for watching.